Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup PostgreSQL VPS with pgBackRest step by step clearly. First, connect to your PostgreSQL VPS using SSH. Use your preferred terminal application to establish the connection. Once connected, ensure that you have PostgreSQL and pgBackRest installed on your server. If pgBackRest is not installed, use your package manager to install it. For example, on a Debian-based system, use the command sudo apt-get install pgBackRest. Next, create a backup directory where you want to store your backups. You can create this directory anywhere, but it's common to use /var/lib/backrest. Set the correct permissions for the backup directory to allow pgBackRest access. Now, edit the pgBackRest configuration file located at /etc/backrest/backrest.conf. Within this file, configure the backup repository location under the Global section. Specify the repository path you created earlier, for example, repo1 path equals /var/lib/backrest. Next, set the DB path to your PostgreSQL data directory. It usually resides in /var/lib/postgresql/version/main, but check your setup to confirm. Make sure to set the correct ownership of the backup directory to the PostgreSQL user. You can do this with the command sudo chown postgres/var/lib/backrest. Now, let's create a backup using pgBackRest. To do this, run the command sudo u-postgres-backrest backup. This will initiate the backup process, which may take some time depending on the database size. Monitor the backup process in the terminal for any errors or confirmations. Once the backup completes, you can check the logs located in /var/log/backrest. To ensure the backup was successful, list the backups with the command sudo u-postgres-backrest info. Verify that the latest backup shows as successful in the output. For additional safety, test the restore process on a staging server if feasible. To do this, use the restore command sudo u-postgres-backrest restore. Follow the prompts to ensure the restore process completes without issues. Finally, schedule regular backups using cron to automate the process. Edit your cron tab with the command cron tab e. Add a cron job for daily backups, such as 02*** sudo u-postgres-backrest backup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.